Morning everyone, welcome to today's video, how to set up our favorite air monitoring pumps. So first steps, make sure you have everything you need. Cal's pump rotameter, make sure everything's in calibration of course. Check the dates, double check the dates, triple check the dates. Once you're sure everything that you have is in calibration and suitable, start putting everything together. So first step, Cal, have a look at it, make sure it's a nice brand new one. Quick check to make sure the filter is in there and in good condition. Close that back up. Pop this onto our pump. We'll note down all of our details there. Make sure that that's all consistent. Double check that, triple check that. After that, we will turn on the pump. And first thing to do is calibrate the pump. So we need to get into our calibration mode. We all know how to do that. Middle, left, right, middle. Do that sometimes once, sometimes 500 times until you get into the screen. When you have the dashes in here, we're ready to go. And we plug where the little blue plastic stopper is, we remove that. And then we plug the rotameter in. So we have a nice train from pump to cal to rotameter. And we have rotameter on a nice level surface. Then we come down to the level of the rotameter, and now we start calibrating by hitting up and down on the pump. Now we need to make sure that the ball sits level with whatever our selected flow rate is. So this is going to be for an 8-hour shift, so we're going to set it to 1. So this ball should be sitting, the middle of the ball should be bisecting level 1. So the top of the ball will be just above it and the bottom of the ball will be just below it. If we need to adjust it, we're pressing up and down on the pump until we get that to sit where we need it. So if we're doing a shorter shift, if we're not doing 8 hours on site, say we're only doing 2 or 3 hours, we're gonna have to go a little bit more air. So this pump is calibrated all the way up to 4 liters. So we can, in theory, run this at 4 liters for 2 hours to get our sampling density, or sampling volume that we need. Or we can do 3 hours, or 3 liters for, say, 6 hours, 2 liters, about 4 hours. Most of our sites where we're doing setup pickups, we're looking at 1. So once we have that at 1, and we are happy, that's sitting nicely at 1, then we just press the middle button to confirm that. And now we have a well-calibrated, ready to go, compliant pump, ready to hang up and do our shift.